Welcome today. Today we are learning leaf border. So I have this 10 centimeters by 13 centimeters paper cut already. I have this long strip, 2 centimeters by 30, just like A4, the length of an A4 paper. I have this 6 centimeter circle, 6 centimeter diameter circle, and this is 2 centimeter in diameter. So I already pre-cut because of time. So the first thing you want to do to this paper is you fold it into two this way, and then you open it up, fold it into two this way. So when you have done that, now open it up vertically, and you draw from here. You draw a line down here, and then from this half, that's where you have the half mark. From there you make half of a leaf down to this edge. This paper is green. I'm going to show you on a plain white paper. So then you draw another leaf on this side as well. Now don't let it be too close. I know the leaf is supposed to be, but don't make it that sharp. So just leave some space and come. Okay, so now let me show you what I've drawn. This is just what I've drawn. Make your line here this way first to this half mark. From here you make your leaf, half of a leaf drawing, and then you come here and make another leaf. I said don't make this place too close, make another leaf. So now we are going to cut along that line that we have drawn, and start from the top or the bottom, whichever place you like. So we cut. Okay, can come here. Okay, so I come here. Okay, so I have this cut. So by the time I open it up, this is what I have. So I've already made several of that too because of time. So I have this, I have this, I have this. So just that when you do that, fold this a little, and then make a small slit, not too long, depending on the size of your strip that you have cut. That's for that. Now let's move on to this. For this, you fold it, fold it, fold it again, fold it again, fold it again, so it looks like a cone. So you can choose to just freehand, and you can as well do this. So you go like this. Like ice cream, cone ice cream. So you see that, and then you cut. Okay, so we open that up as well, and then we have this. So I've also made several cuts of that, about 5. Then I've shown you this strip, and then you cut look for a small object to cut is 2 centimeter circle diameter. So the next thing we want to do is we pass this our strip through the leaf, so I have it all done. So then this part here, just fold it in, and fold this in. Then you take your leaf, fold it, take your leaf, fold, and you can even hold this first before you put your leaf. Then you hold that, and then the next thing you want to do is to put your, so I've done that, and then I just fix this in between, and then probably this here. So that makes our leaf border. You can do that across your board. Beautiful.